Want to look more expensive without breaking the bank? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a guide that empowers you to present your best self without spending a fortune. Looking good need not be synonymous with high price tags. This video is your ticket to uncover practical and easy-to-follow tips on how to appear more posh, more polished, and yes, more expensive. You'll learn to work with what you already own and make smart fashion choices. So stay tuned to find out how to elevate your style without emptying your wallet. Our first advice: invest in classic pieces. You see, the magic of looking polished and sophisticated lies in the timelessness of your wardrobe. Consider the little black dress, a versatile piece that can easily transition from the office to a dinner party, or a high-quality white shirt which pairs beautifully with almost anything, instantly elevating your style. And let's not forget a good pair of jeans, a staple that can anchor myriad looks. These classic items, they are like the chameleons of fashion, effortlessly adapting to create a variety of looks. And here's a little secret: looking expensive isn't about splurging on every trend that walks down the runway. It's about investing in quality over quantity. A well-made piece not only lasts longer, but also gives that polished, expensive look we all desire. Remember, it's not about the price tag, it's about the value and versatility of the item. Another key to looking expensive: pay attention to details. It's the little things that can elevate your style from ordinary to chic. Let's talk about fit. Well-fitted clothes can make a world of difference. They not only improve your posture, but also make your attire look tailored and expensive. Next up, your shoes. Never underestimate the power of clean, shiny shoes. They can transform a simple outfit into a polished look. And let's not forget about nails. Neatly manicured nails give an impression of sophistication and control. It doesn't matter if you prefer bold colors or a subtle French manicure, the key is neatness. Remember, these small details can make a big difference in how expensive your outfit looks. Our final tip: opt for neutral colors. Neutral colors such as black, white, beige, and navy blue have a magical way of lending an expensive look to an outfit. They are the unsung heroes of the fashion world, often overlooked but always making a statement. These colors are timeless, they never go out of style. Year after year, season after season, they remain a staple in every stylish wardrobe, and the best part, they can be paired with almost anything, giving you endless possibilities for mixing and matching. Think of them as your canvas, allowing you to paint your style story in whichever way you choose. By incorporating these colors into your wardrobe, you can create a sophisticated and expensive look without breaking the bank.